And now what's shot is the same common duiker to come around, and they go restart exactly what they did by the dam. He's definitely focusing on something there, but I doubt it's worth him following up, because he's just like quite focused at first, rolled down, now he's back on it, so maybe it's not really worth following up. Okay, yeah, he is definitely looking at something. Such a very beautiful cat, eh? Okay, he's now projected himself on a stalking mode, actually.
Should have stayed where they were.
Yeah. So just that can't really see where the duiker is. But if the duiker is gone, then, and if he still sees an opportunity, then maybe it's there. But going back to Chris' comment, it's highly possible that if you look, his nose is also pinkish. Remember the discussion that we had with the lions? It will also apply on leopards as well. So the more darker the nose is, it shows you how old that individual is. So he's probably a young boy who's just like come in, and like he's doing well, but hunting experience wise is not as sharp, because if you remember the hunt that he had with the common duiker, sort of jumped from far, just hoping that you will land on top of the duiker the previous day, and now the duiker has ran off. He still showed a bit of interest.
He's already got quite a neck on him, eh?
Yep.
I think he's got the potential to grow into quite a sizable cat.
Yeah, he does.
I mean, he doesn't have a proper dewlap yet. It's that flap of skin that you think about a bulldog. Big old man leopards, they've got a big flap of skin here on the throat. Dewlap.
Been a while that you had a leopard. Watch it and leave it, Nathan. Just watch it, leave it as you found it.
Yeah, you know the story. My leopard sighting is always just like, boom, there's a leopard, disappeared. Never saw with him.
I mean, this is a well-behaved boy. Eh? We'll probably go look for the ngala as well.
Yeah, if you just continue south, you'll see us here.
Okay, are we happy to start moving?
Yeah.
I doubt my sister is happy.
So